I'd like to introduce you today to the pearls, which are some great relationship skills, which are very useful in both building relationships with patients and in repairing relationships if you've had a miscommunication or a conflict. And you may also find them helpful at home. Each letter stands for a different skill. You're obviously only going to use one or two of them in any given encounter, and only use them when you can express them with sincerity. The first is P for partnership. This helps people feel less alone with their healthcare challenges. It's useful when establishing a new relationship with a patient or beginning a conversation about a difficult decision that a patient has to make. The E stands for empathy, something so helpful to patients and to all of us, and which has actually been shown to reduce the time required in a clinical encounter. The A stands for both appreciation and apology. None of us gets enough appreciation in life. I encourage you to appreciate your patients every time you see them. And we tend to underestimate the power of apology, which can definitely defuse a misunderstanding or a conflict. The R for respect is pretty self-explanatory. L is for legitimation, also known as validation. But most patients really do want to know that their emotional reactions to their illnesses are normal. And the last is S for support. So I encourage you to try them out, and I look forward to hearing how they work for you. Thank you.